Want to boost your sales and guide customers toward your preferred payment methods? In this video, we'll show you how to add smart payment-based discounts in your WordPress store. We'll be using the ELEX Discounts for Payment Methods plugin. It helps you easily create discounts for specific payment options like UPI, cards, or wallets. Step 1. Install the plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins, right pointing arrow, Add New. Now, either upload the plugin file manually or search for ELEX Discounts for Payment Methods. Click Install, then hit Activate. Once activated, you're ready to configure it. Step 2. Set up payment methods. Go to WooCommerce, right pointing arrow, Settings, right pointing arrow, Payments. Enable the payment methods you want your customers to use. For example, UPI, credit, debit cards, cash on delivery. This step is important because your discounts will depend on these payment methods. Now, step 3 is to create discounts. Go to WooCommerce, then Settings, and then ELEX Discount per Payment Method from the left sidebar menu. Next, click on Add New Discount to create a new discount rule. Here, you can select the preferred payment method. Choose the discount type, which includes percentage discount or fixed amount discount. Enter the discount value or percentage. Add a custom discount label. After configuring the settings, click Save Changes to apply the discount. You can create multiple discount rules based on different payment methods. Additionally, each discount can be enabled, disabled, or removed at any time based on your store's requirements. Step 4. Test your discounts. To test the discount, first navigate to your store. And next, add any product to the cart, and proceed to the checkout page. Now, select the preferred payment method. In this example, we have selected cash on delivery. Once selected, you can see that the configured 10% COD discount is automatically applied to the order total. And that's it, you've successfully added payment-based discounts to your WordPress store. This strategy helps you increase conversions, promote preferred payment methods, improve customer experience. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials.